Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivrat Singh Children Academy. Today, I am going to teach you about chapter 3, a trip to Bhopal. Okay, and today's topic is mental maths. Dear students, please open page number 18. Please open page number 18 of your maths book. Okay, today I am going to teach you about the topic mental maths. Okay, distance. Now let's start question number 3. Question number 3 is solve mentally and write the answer. Solve mentally and write the answers. Okay, distance. Now let's start question number 3 of A. Question number 3 of A is Arixa has three wheels. Seven rickshaw seven rickshaws will have how many? It means that dash 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 fields. Okay, students. Now let's start the solution of this question. Dear students, we know that in a rickshaw have three wheels. Okay, how many wheels? Three wheels. A rickshaw have three wheel. Okay, therefore seven rickshaw will have how many wheels? Therefore, dear students, in this question we have to take the multiplication of 3 and 7, then we get the answer of this question. Okay, students? So, a rickshaw has three wheels, therefore in 7 rickshaw will have how many wheels? Look at here carefully. Here we can write 3 into 7. Okay, students, here we have to take the multiplication of 3 and 7. 3 7 ja 3 7 ja yes 21. 3 7 ja 21. It means that if a rickshaw has three wheel, therefore 7 rickshaw will have 3 7 ja 21 wheels. Understand? Okay, students. Similarly, we can solve all given question. Now let's start question number 3 of B. A cow has four legs. A cow has four legs. 200 cows will have dash 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 legs. It means that 200 cow will have how many legs? Okay. Okay, sons. In this question here given that a cow has 4 legs. Dear sons, we know that a cow has 1, 2, 3 and 4 legs. Okay. A cow has 4 legs. Then 200 cow will have how many legs? Just as if we have to take the multiplication of 4 by 200. Okay, it means that if we have to take the multiplication of 4 and 200, after multiplying these we get 4 to the 800. Okay, then 200 cows will have 800 legs. Okay, okay, distance. Therefore, here we can write 4 into 200. It means that here we have to take the multiplication of 4 and 200, and 4 to the 8. It means that 4 0 the 0, 4 0 the 0 and 4 to the 8. Here we get 800 lakhs. Understand? 4 into 200 is equal to 800 lakhs. Understand? Distance. Please write given questions on your maths, in your maths fair copy. Okay, distance. Distance, please write given question in your maths fair copy and book both. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Understand? Now let this. Okay, distance. Now let's start question number 3 of C. Question number 3 of C is an Almira cost rupees 3000. The cost of 4 Almira will be rupees how many? Okay, distance. We are given that an Almira cost rupees 3000. The cost of whole Almira will be rupees how many? Okay, distance. In this question here we have to take the multiplication of 3 by 4, then we get the answer of this question. It means that the cost of 4 Almira will be 4 0 ja 0, 4 0 ja 0, 4 0 ja 0 and 4 3 ja 12. Okay, distance. It means that the cost of 4 Almira is 12,000 rupees. Understand? Distance. In this question here we have to take the multiplication of 3000 and 4. Okay, after multiplying these we get the answer of this question. It means that the cost of 4 Almira will be rupees 12,000. Understand? Okay. Okay, now let us start question number D. Look at here carefully. A bus can carry 50 passengers. A bus can carry 50 passengers 50 passengers, 25 buses can carry how many passengers? Dear students, in this question, here given that a bus can carry 50 passengers. Okay, a bus can carry 50 passengers. Then 25 buses can carry. Dear students, in this question here we have to take the multiplication of 50 by 25. After multiplying these, we get the answer of this question. It means that 25 buses can carry 50 into 25 is equal to 25. Look, here given that 0, therefore here we have to take 0. Okay, and again we have to take the multiplication by 5 in 25. Okay, 5 5 ja 5 5 ja 25. 25 of 5 carry 2. 5 2 ja 10. 10 plus carry 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. It means that a bus can carry 50 passengers. Then 25 buses can carry 50 into 25 is equal to 1250 passengers. Understand, dear sons? Dear sons, in this question, if you have any doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, dear sons, please write given question in your maths fair copy. Now read this. Dear sons, question number 3 of E and F. Please do it yourself. Question number 3E and 3F. Do it yourself in your maths fair copy and book both. If you have any doubt in question number 3E and F, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, now read this. Okay, dear sons, now let's start question number 4. Question number 4. Solve and write the answers. Solve and write the answers. Question number 4 of A. 10 less than 858. Dear sons, 10 less than 858. It means that in 858 we can subtract 10. Understand? It means that here we have to subtract 10 from 858. Here we have to subtract 10 from 858. After subtracting these we get 8 minus 0 is 8. Here 5 minus 1 is 4. And here we get 8 as same. It means that after subtracting these we get 848. Understand? Okay, students. Similarly, you can solve all given questions in question number 4. Look, question number 4 of B. Here given that 100 more than 1968. Okay, since here given that 100 more than 1968, it means that in here we have to add 100 in 1968. Okay, since here we have to take the addition of 10 and 1968. After adding these, we get 8 plus 0 is 8, 6 plus 0 is 6, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 of 0, carry 1. Please keep in mind, here we get carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, since after adding these, we get 2068. Similarly, in question number C, one more than 999. Just as here given that 1 more than 999, it means that here we have to take the addition of 1 and 999. Here we have to take the addition of 999. 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 of 0, carry 1. Dear students, please keep in mind, here we get carry 1, 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 of 0, okay, again we get carry 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 more than 999 is 1000. Okay, understand, dear students? Similarly, you can solve all given question. Okay, it means that, dear students, question number 4 of D, E, F, G, H, I and J. Do it yourself. Okay, do it yourself. This is very simple question. If you have any doubt in question number 4, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, students? Thank you.